Hey guys, Fix It Felix here. Another video. I'm going to show you how to make this 2007 Dodge Durango into a third row seater. As you can see right now, it only has the two front seats and this seat right here, but there's no third row. So pretty simple. We are going to have to remove this, and you can go to your local junkyard, and there's a high chance they have this vehicle with a third row, and you can just buy the third row from them. It's usually pretty cheap. They usually sell it for $100 or less, but you're adding a third row to your vehicle. So pretty simple on this vehicle. We just have to remove this bolt right here. Let me open this. We have to remove this bolt right there. There's another one in that corner and another one right there. So I'm going to take those four out and I'll show you what's next. Now that those four bolts are removed, you can already remove this part right here. There, wow, it's really dirty. So yeah, this is where you're going to be putting your third row. As you can see, this is where you're going to put the bolt for the third row. I don't know if it's here. No, I think it's here. And usually behind this, they usually seal it. Let me try to take it out. You see right there? That's where you put the bolt to hold the third row seat. Yeah, it's a simple process. And this is the part we took out. Since I'm going to be putting a third row on this Durango, I'm going to end up putting this on OfferUp or anywhere, try to sell it. I don't know, $40, $50. I don't know how much it's worth or whatever. Either way, I'm not going to be using it. On our way to the junkyard to make this Dodge Durango a 3-row seater, I'm rocking my 3D glasses. Was watching the Avengers Endgame yesterday, and pretty good movie. I like the other one better, the Infinity War, but this one's really good. Hashtag I love you 3000. You might know what I mean, you may not. All right, we just got here. Now it's really sunny outside, so I'm going to wear a long sleeve shirt. It's really hot here, so with the shirt, I'm gonna feel more fresh. And we're inside. Got my toolbox and my backpack. And welcome to hell. No, I'm just kidding. Junkyard. Pick apart junkyard. So here we go. We found one right here. Now let's just hope it has the third row. And bingo, perfect. This is just what we need. Same color, we need it too. Great. Let's just move this. And it's not too dirty. I mean, you can clean that up. But yeah, I found it quick. Perfect. $15mm socket. This just opens like this. Just push it all the way up. There's a bolt right here. And just do the same one for the other side. All right, we remove both bolts. Now we can just pull this like this. There. And we have to remove this bolt and then the other one, and it should come loose. You can remove these two bolts using an 18mm socket. All right, ready. We removed it. Now this is loose. Let me just fold it, and now we can take it. one thing I should mention is since the Durango that we have don't have a third row seat, it doesn't even have the seat belts. I'm not going to cover this in this video, but if you're putting the third row seat, you should also remove all the belts and install it too. Even this right here and this one right here. It's really simple to do. It's just I won't cover this in this video. So this is a receipt for a seat for the radiator and a plastic trim that I bought. $121. Not bad. There it is. Now I'm gonna wash it a little bit, make it look better, cleaner, and then we're ready to put her in the Durango. All right, finished cleaning it up the most I can. So there it is. It's not in excellent condition, but it's good. All right, nice and clean, perfect. All right, right here in the back, we're going to remove this little tape that goes here. This is where we're going to put the bolts. There it is. Woohoo! And same one for this side. All right, now in here, we're just going to remove these. Make sure you align them off first, and then you tie it at the end. Now using the 18mm socket, we're going to tie the two in the back. All right, we got that one. Now the other one over there. Good. Now we're going to do this too. This one and this one using a 15mm socket. All right, now we can just fold it. And there it is, guys. Now we have our third row for just $42. We have our third row seat. There it is, guys. We can also put this like this. And now we have our third row seat, same color. There it is. Nice and steady, good. Let's get an angle from this side. Perfect. Amazing. All right, guys, that's it. We finished installing the third row seat to our car. Now it looks amazing. Now we have more extra room for extra people to seat. I really hope this video helped you. I mean, like I said, it was only $42. You can do this to any SUV that has a third row seat, but yours didn't come with one. So you can go to the junkyard, pick a part or wherever, buy the third row and install it yourself. Like I said, it's really cheap and it's really good. One thing I should mention, you have to buy the seat belts that go connected here, and also the seat where you connect the seat belt. Make sure you buy that and install it as well. I'm not going to cover it on this video. I can't, I don't have time right now. So yeah, make sure you buy those things just for safety reasons. Now please like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. As always, peace.